Welcome back to another episode of Bussin'. My name is Nader, and I've been bussin'. Today's episode is about installing the water tank and building the frame for it to go under the bus. But before we get to that, I got good and bad news. We'll start with the bad first. Bad news is that I'm not going to get to finish the dirt bike hauler build on these videos. But the good news is I'm not going to get to finish it because I sold it. Or rather, I'm in the process of selling it. It's right there. But long story short, somebody wants to buy it as is. So as a small business owner, I decided to go ahead and take the sale that's guaranteed now rather than dumping more money into it and seeing where it goes. You know, crossing my fingers and hope that I don't go under with just this first bus sale, right? But wait, there's more good news. That doesn't mean I'm gonna stop making videos. So now the videos I'm gonna make are about this bus, my personal bus. So that means I can be way more creative than if I were to make videos about a bus I was gonna sell to somebody else, because the things I would want wouldn't necessarily apply to them. But the things that I want are cool as So first things first, we gotta get the utilities out the way and finish building this bus. And the first thing we gotta do is install the water tank. No! Fuck, I like this shirt, bro. Shouts out to Eugene, bro. Eugene gave me this shirt. Turn the music off. In YouTube.
مش عايز تخليني اعمل لك ستاير بقى للباص يا ندى؟
Yeah, انا سألتك تعمليها. Oh yeah. Oh, looky there. Oh. Well, we're getting there. That's halfway right there. Oh yeah. Go. Up. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. So all I gotta do now is one side of this, make like a back piece like that so it won't slide out. The other side is gonna have basically a gate mechanism so that if I ever do need to take this out, if it's got like a hole in it or some damage or something, I can just open the gate, but on one side, so we'll have a little piece right there, and then a hinge right here that will let it up. So let's get to it now. I need a bandsaw. Cash at me money for bandsaw, man. I don't know where to look. When I talk, cause there's two cameras, bro. Ow! Holy shit. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, go on ahead. That got pinched right in there. Oh yeah, bro. That therapy's working. Holy oh. Yes. Go. Yes. Come on, Mike. So check it out. All right. This is what we're working with. It's really, really strong. I trust it with a lot of weight. I got this mechanism up here in case I need to take it out. Just put a hinge right there. Alright, so where I'm at, I grinded all the rust out from under the bus in the same spots that I'm gonna weld because that's the only places I need it off. So what I'm doing right now is grinding the welds. I'm gonna go back over and weld them again just to make sure it's nice and sturdy because this frame is gonna have to hold like about 620 pounds of water, which is a fuck ton. So I want to make sure it's nice and strong so if I'm walking or driving down the highway or something, go over a big bump, I'm not going to lose water and possibly kill people. Yeah. I'm putting this towel on my arm so that it doesn't spill back and splash onto my arm. Because that's molten metal and it hurts. Damn ocean, it's a belt. Ah! Ah! It's on fire! Please don't fall. 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 Don't fall. Don't fall. No, bro. No. Oh, my phone died. I didn't charge my phone last night. I forgot. I fell asleep. I get tired, man. Oh, yes. Go. Yes. Bro, look at it. Give you a good view, fuck. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now, I'm not done welding it all yet. I've just kind of got it to where it definitely won't fall when I drive and the tank is empty. But oh, sweet. Oh, bro, that. So yeah, I've only got it welded on there to where it won't fall when I drive back up the hill. But I'm really tired and I'm kind of done for tonight. Holy shit. I miss having dreads, bro. That shit never happened when I had dreads. Or it would happen, but it was bearable. That hurts. So all I gotta do that's left is to go over the welds, make sure it's nice and secure even when it's got 600 pounds of water in it, and then close up the gate, weld the gate in place. And then I want to put a water inlet to where you can fill it up with water just from the outside, kind of like a gas lid, kind of like this guy right here, but with water. That's gonna be a 3/4 inch, and that's about it. That little piece, the water inlet piece, should come in tomorrow, so I'll have this all done by tomorrow. And then after that, I'm gonna plumb the rest of it, and then basically plumb the bus, put the water pump in, the shower, and the dude, I cannot focus. That's hurt, y'all, bro. That hurts so f***ing bad. So yeah, that's it. Oh, beautiful. Looky. I don't even know if you can see me right now. If you can't, I'm sorry. I ran out of daylight. I did the best I could. I have long days. Come on, bro. Yeah. All right, I'll light it up. There you can see. There's the tank. That's just taped for now so that I can take it out, weld the rest of it, stick it back in there, and close up that bottom, which is where the water out will go. And it will come right here. And there will be a water pump right there to pull the water out of there, send it up through the floor. And that will go to the kitchen and the shower. So here's what we got. And that's the water tank. If you like this video, leave me a like. If you'd like to see more of this stuff and all the rest of my creative ideas for this bus, subscribe so that you make sure you don't miss out on anything. If you couldn't tell, I'm learning as I go. So these videos are more me documenting my learning process rather than how-tos. Don't do the things I do. It might not work for you, and it might not work for me either. So what I'm getting at is, please leave comments, please leave suggestions, leave questions, leave any ideas that you have, anything, all of it's welcome, because I'm gonna read all that shit, and I'll do my best to respond and apply what you tell me to the future stuff I build. But that's that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Nader, and I've been bussin'.